Howdy, y'all. Welcome back. It's been a long day. Used to, when we didn't feel like cooking, would pop something in the microwave or make a sandwich. These days, I light up the griddle and grab some franks or do a smash burger or grilled cheese. Because griddle, it's griddling time. Apparently you have to be smarter than the package to open it. It says open here. Oh, there we go. So, ballpark jumbo beef frank. It's Wiener time. Put this in here for now. Yeah, I have some leftover boneless ribs. Yum. I'm gonna stick them on and maybe we can make a boneless rib sandwich too. What do you say? These turned out great on the griddle, by the way. Just my own personal opinion. I've started doing my wieners a little different. Coat them in oil. And we got some mesquite seasoning. You have to excuse me, it's hot. The sundowner winds have picked up again. So this is dehydrated onion, which isn't sticking to nothing. But maybe if I roll it around, it'll do something. Maybe, baby, I'll love you. Maybe, baby, I'll be true. So we're at medium low. Though with the sundowner wind, it feels like 100 degrees. Not 100 degrees. It feels like it's on high. On a really windy day where it's coming in, I can't cook on this. It just won't heat up. But on a sundowner day with the hot winds blowing in off the desert, it gets twice as hot. So you see I'm getting a little steam action here. What we got? Yeah, it should be good enough. Meat's looking good. It's already cooked, so I'm just warming it up basically. And the wieners are just about done. Add a little bit more mesquite. They rolled around in the oil a little. Let's see if the chopped onion will stick. Yeah, it's sticking a little. Stick like glue. That's right, Baja. And you know what else is so good? Buns. Buns are tons of fun. I'm not even oiling or buttering. The griddle top is well seasoned. Move that over a little. We're just slapping them on here a sec, right, Baja? just for a second, just to get that sear, the little bit of toast from the griddle. Almost. See, a little bit of toast. Almost there. Give them another minute. Move this around. Maybe give it a little more water. That's close enough. Don't want to burn them. Better the burn out. Fade away. Hey, hey, my. And just turn all this off. Don't go away. You can admire our handiwork here. Yeah. So I just happen to have some clamper handy. In case you missed where I've discussed it a while back, a friend gave me one of those super jumbo industrial 900-pound file cabinets to keep on the porch, and it's been handy for keeping stuff on. Look at that. Really handy for keeping all the griddle accessories in one drawer. Oh, it's hot. Oh. We have wieners. We got boneless ribs. We got all kinds of good stuff going on. Right, Baja? My co-host, Baja. And yummy. So, that's it. Quick, easy. And now I'm going to collapse and have a wiener. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day. And we'll see you next time. Bye!